Today, I'll walk you through how to add attachments to emails in Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to attach files to your emails so you can enhance your communication with your audience. First, let's start by heading over to Mailchimp. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, as updates may change the layout from time to time. Just look for the email campaign section. Once you're logged in, locate the email builder. From here, go to the blocks section. Click and drag the button element into your email. This button will serve as a link for your attachment, allowing recipients to easily access the file. Think of it as a door that opens to your content. Next, click on the drop-down menu associated with the button. This will give you options to customize the button further. Here, you want to select the option labeled File. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to attach files directly to your email. Now click on Add File. This action prompts a file selection window to appear. You can either upload a file directly from your device or choose to select a file from the Content Studio, which is Mailchimp's library of previously uploaded files. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, as uploading files can vary in speed depending on your internet connection. After you've chosen your file, select it from the list. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the correct document is linked to your email button. Once you've made your selection, click on the Insert button. This finalizes the attachment process, linking the file to the button in your email. And there you have it. You've successfully added an attachment to your email in Mailchimp. This feature is a fantastic way to share additional resources, documents, or promotional materials with your subscribers, enhancing their experience and engagement. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.